According to Namiseb, the state continues to condemn the problem, but stronger action is needed.
If there is a problem with gender-based violence, it really does not help us in going out making statements. We will make statements, but our women and children are still suffering. Our women are being killed. We need to take a multi-sector approach to find out what are the actual root causes. Are men violent by nature, or are there underlying problems? We need to find those underlying problems if we really want to address the issue of gender-based violence. We need to involve the academia. We need to involve civil society. We need to involve the communities. We must find what is the root cause. If we miss what the root cause is, we will become emotional about it. We will make statements. We will go to make demonstrations, but we will not solve the problem, and our women will continue to be killed.
Human rights are generally important to every Namibian. They come in various forms, such as civil rights, economic rights, and cultural rights. Human rights can also be classified in terms of generations of rights. The Namibian Constitution deals with this classification in a variety of ways.
At the international level, it is rights have been classified under first generation, second generation, third generation rights. And this is so because some of the rights are costly and are not so easy to enforce. Civil and political rights you can give immediately. You can say everyone has a right to vote. Everyone has a right not to be discriminated against. You have a right to life. But when it comes to economic rights, it becomes difficult because some of these rights are costly, and therefore there is a different enforcement mechanism. For civil and political rights, under the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, the state obligation is to make provision for and recognition for these rights immediately. But for the economic rights, under the International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights, there is enforcement mechanism of progressive realization within the available resources of a state.
Namiseb also stated that Namibians need to embrace new laws that did not exist during the colonial times, such as the right to vote.